Introducing the Edge AI, all-in-one solution ST9730. Versatile connectivity, full HD dual cameras, live streaming, and GPS tracking, all housed within a compact design. OBD2 diagnostics enable vehicle data collection. This smart solution for safe and effective monitoring not only provides real-time location tracking, but also collects vehicle data via OBD2 diagnostics. All of this is possible with a single device. With LTE Cat 4, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, the ST9730 ensures a stable connection anywhere. It enables real-time video transmission. When an event is detected, the captured video is sent to the server and monitoring platform. The video request feature lets you access the footage you want. DMS detects distraction, drowsiness, cell phone use, and more, ensuring driver safety. ADAS enhances driving safety by identifying hazards ahead, including lane drift, tailgating, speed limit violation, forward collision warning, and stop sign violation. OTA firmware updates allow for easy maintenance in various environments. ST Sunlab.